What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Okay, so today we're making London broils. Alright, now we're gonna give it a nice coat of olive oil, and you know I like my Chubalicious seasonings. So here we go. We got some steak seasoning today. Alright, now this is my first time actually making these London broils here. Okay, so we're gonna give it a nice season here. I think I'm just going to put them on the grill and grill them a little bit in my indoor grill. All right, so we're going to put a nice coat on here. Now, London broil, the meat of this particular cut here is actually a flank steak rolled up, okay? All right, that's what I see here. That's what that is. Now, you definitely want to make sure it's tenderized, okay? Because this particular meat is tough. If you don't get a tenderizer, if you cook it too fast, it just get all rubbery and tastes like leather. So, this is a special case here. We're going to take our time with this, all right? So, we're going to let that sit for a while and marinate for about an hour. Now, while that's doing that, I'm going to get started on this asparagus. Because today we're going to have asparagus with this here, okay? So, you just want to make sure you cut off the tips here of your asparagus, and you want to get you a nice firm batch, okay? Now, for those who doesn't like asparagus, then you can choose a different alternative, okay? But we're doing asparagus today. So, go ahead and rinse those off, cut off the edges, and I got my lime, and we got our butter, unsalted, here melting. And we are going to just add these asparagus on top of there. Hot grill, but first, this is the seasoning we're going to be using for this as well, too. It's complete seasoning. It's a Spanish brand. Bobadilla, I think I'm saying that right, Badia. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I like this seasoning here too as well. Alright, so we're just gonna give that a little generous sprinkle on top of there. And we're just gonna mix those up, okay? Now, I probably used about 2 tablespoons or 3 seasoning, but again, to taste. Alright? Because it's not very salty. Let's give that a nice little grill. And you don't want these to be wilted. You want to have a nice firm, but texture to where it's crunchy, but you can eat it. You don't want it too crunchy, not limp either. This is how you want it to look. All right. It smells pretty good too, you guys. By the way. All right, there you go. That's what you want them to look like. Okay. So we're just going to put those to the side, and we're going to get these London broils grilled. Okay. Now, I think what we're going to need to do here, since they're kind of thick, they're going to at least need 20 minutes. So I'm going to be turning these like every 5 so minutes. I'm going to be checking them. I have the temperature turned down low because, like I said, you don't want to cook them too fast because like with any other steak, like if you're cooking steak, you just kind of want to just keep an eye on it, and you don't want to dry it out and make it tough. All right, now these particular pieces, like I said, have been tenderized. Okay, so like I said, we're going to flip that over. There you go. See, I got a nice little crust on there. Nice. All right. Don't mean to poke it. I just want to know where it's at. Okay. But as you can see, they're not done. Okay. So we're just going to flip those over and let those babies cook for a little bit. Now, I had some leftover onion chives, and I just cut off the green onion parts of it. And I'm just going to add that on top of it for a little flavoring. You can certainly add thyme on top of there. I have some, but I just decided I just wanted to add in these onions on here, okay? So, look, you see where they're about at. They're almost done, all right? Yep, that's what we want right there. I had to turn them down a little bit because, like I said, they are thick. I just added the asparagus on top of it to continue cooking. There you go. Now, the funny thing is, they almost look like hamburger to me. I was like, whoa, you probably put this on the bun or something, but we're going to eat them just like this now. It smells really good, you guys, all right? So we're going to see what it looks like inside, all right? Of course, I got to have that A1 steak sauce. Don't worry, I'm not going to put it on top of it. I just want to just have it on the side, okay? And because I do want to taste and see what this is all about, okay? Now, let's get started. Let's taste this asparagus first here, okay? I love me some asparagus, all right? I hope you do too. All right, eat your vegetables. All right, now, remember that string that was on there? I forgot to cut them off. So we're going to cut that off. I'm going to have to let my family know because these guys over here are probably cutting to this thing and go, what the heck is going on? All right, so let's cut into it. Oh, it's nice and tender, you guys. Look at there. See that? Nice. Now, you can have it medium rare, I probably could eat it medium rare. And this is about medium, you know, because once you let it sit, it will continue cooking. So, all right, look at that. That's pretty good, you guys. I think I did really good for the first time. I may have to try these again, all right? Now, I've seen different versions where they have them stuffed with cheese in it and spinach, and, you know, there's different versions of how to make this particular cut of meat. All right, y'all? So, that's how you make your London broil. Thanks for joining me in this experience. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Always, what you cooking, bro?